Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today is hair tutorial. If you want to know how to make this children hairstyle, please don't go anywhere. This video is for you, and don't forget to subscribe. 3 2 1. First step is to section the hair. The reason why I'm sectioning the hair down is simply because the Brazilian wool my client brought is not going to be enough, so I had to section it down and manage the wool, because this particular hairstyle eats a lot of Brazilian wool. If that makes sense, it consumes a lot of Brazilian wool, but because the Brazilian wool I was given was not enough, so I have to manage it, if that makes sense. So the first thing I will do is to weave the hair, then pick my Brazilian wool. I pick 10 strands of Brazilian wool, then I cross it with only one, like so, if that makes sense. Normally the normal Brazilian wool you're supposed to use, although it depends on how bogus you want it to look, is 20 to 30 strands of Brazilian wool, then you cross it with one. But because the wool I was given was not enough, and I don't want to change hairstyle for her because the hair is already washed, and in order to make the hair stretch a bit, we need to thread it. So hence the reason why I'm doing this hairstyle for her. What do you call the name of this hairstyle in your area or in your country, in your place? Let me know in the comment section. In Nigeria, depend on the location anyway. Some call it telephone wire threading. So this particular day I was feeling under the weather, didn't want to do anything, but when this my loyal client called, I couldn't resist her because she has been loyal, and I have a very soft heart for my loyal clients. So I don't want to disappoint her because I know she doesn't have anywhere to plait her child's hair, so I have to. So coming in, she came in with half a whole wool, and this hairstyle consumed wool a lot, but we maneuver everything and it came out beautiful. Follow the step by step and you get it right. The hairstyle is not hard, it's very easy, and the natural hair will not be showing, because that's the reason why I weaved the hair in the first place before starting to thread. Okay, so after threading a little with that strand of wool that I used to cross it, so make sure when you are threading, you are not threading it too tight. Okay, so I thread a little. You can see that my wool is almost finished, so I have to tack it. I tie it, I secure it well, then I remove 2 from the 10 strand of wool to cross it the way I'm doing. Okay, but before you cross it, make sure you roll till the very end before you start crossing with that tool that I'm holding in my mouth. Okay, the hair came out beautiful despite not having enough wool to make it, and my client loved it. She loved it, and her reaction afterward was so hilarious. I couldn't add the volume to that hilarious scene because of copyright strike. Okay, so I have to mute it because the girl was playing cartoon and the song and the rhymes of the cartoon is showing in the video, hence the reason why I didn't play it. Okay, so here comes the final look. If you have watched up to this end, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you for sticking around with me, and here is the hilarious scene. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and we'll definitely see in my next video. Please kindly help me subscribe, like, comment, try and be engaging in my video. I'll be in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you, replenish you. Amen. Thank you once again. Bye, besties.